more back pain exercises. Now take your right leg up and grab it your thighs. While exhaling, your toes will down, and while inhaling, your toes will up. So this is the variation of the Uttan Padasana. This is called Uttan Padasana, and it helps to reduce our pain like leg pain and back pain and thighs pain. In thighs pain there are many cramps and in spine there are many problems. So this is the best exercise of the spinal nerves, and this exercise is very important for our spine. Our spine is completely rotate and twist properly, and it is good for